I'm Neil, and I'm Director of Digital Construction. The kind of technologies that I've been part of implementing is quite wide-ranging. We're talking about the implementation of virtual reality and mixed reality to enable anyone to see what a building looks like before it's built, all the way through to applying robotics into high-value manufacturing processes. The amazing thing about our organisation is we get to work on some of the best projects on planet Earth. A previous project that I worked on was helping the UK government build something called a digitally built Britain. At Digital Built Britain, we're connecting infrastructure to the internet. For example, when we dig up roads, sometimes we might hit a water main and we burst something, and then we turn off the internet and the gas, for example, to people's homes. That means we have to make decisions really quickly about what do we need to turn off, how are we going to fix it, and how we're going to turn it back on and resume the service. And Digital Built Britain enables the foundation, the digital foundation, for us to connect that information together to make those decisions in those critical scenarios. So the outcome isn't just about better performing infrastructure from a user experience perspective, it's also about sustainability. Sustainability is close to my heart, one, as an environmentalist, but two, I'm a father of children, and I want to make sure that the planet is in the best health when I hand it on to them. The infrastructure that we build digitally has a huge impact on the planet, and we have to use those digital decisions to ensure that we minimise the impact.